welcome back to my channel, and yes, another makeup tutorial coming at you. This is the final look. I actually love this. I'm calling this like the more glowy glamorous look. You can definitely have this look if you're going to like a special gala or a prom. You're gonna see a lot of new products that I'm gonna be trying out for today, and one of the biggest purchases that I have done and I'm very excited about is this makeup brushes right here. It's the Morphe Jaclyn Hill. If you guys are following me on Instagram, I did posted a picture of this is the start of my Morphe collection. I believe their brushes are just really nice and such a great investment. And you know, if you're the kind of person just like me that can't afford to buy all the set at once, then you know what? You have to just, you know, take it one step at a time. So this actually retails for like $39 or like $40. Brushes I did use to create this look. Love these brushes. I cannot wait to get the face brushes as well. That one is a little much. It's about $52, but you know what? I had to work hard to get those brushes. Anyway, and I also have tried finally loving the Huda Beauty foundation right here. Again, on my previous video that I've done with my friend Jay, I did explain how I end up loving this foundation. So yes, I am one of you guys. I am a fan of this foundation. I also start some ColourPop lip glosses that I have also first time using. These are the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. I purchased two of them in Ulta. Really nice, really nice, really nice. I love it so much. I'm not the kind of person who would into like lip glosses, but this I can do. Anyway, I know I've talked too much. Let's just move on to the tutorial. But before that, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big, huge thumbs up. It would really mean the world to me, and I'm just really happy that I'm able to create this kind of look for you guys. Looking forward for more videos, and again, thank you so much for watching and for supporting me. I really appreciate it. Until next time on my next video. I love you guys. Bye!
Alright, to start, I like to moisturize my face using the Jadro Aloe Eyes. This is what it looked like. I like this product so much. I think it's perfect to set your face and just really to moisturize it. It is non-greasy, and I like to put that all over my face and my neck. Second step, I also like to use oil primer, and this is by NYX Hydration Touch Oil. You don't need much. I think this two combination works perfectly for me, especially if I use a very matte foundation such as the Huda Beauty. It doesn't make my skin cakey, and you know, I normally wait 5 minutes and just fan this out. Meanwhile, I'm gonna just work on my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the ABH Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Auburn, and I'm just gonna fill my brows with this. I like to focus and start in the center of my brows and work it in the tail. I find it easier to just make it a little sharper if I start in the middle and just kind of like fade it out towards like the center. And of course, you have to blend everything out with a spoolie. And I'm going to do the same process in my next brow, or my outer brow I should say. I love doing my brows. Sometimes it's frustrating because it doesn't look good, but today I like it. Alright, moving on to prep our eyes. I'm going to use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. You can get this in Ulta. I think this is worth it because it really helps your eyeshadow stay. And just to set that base, I'm going to use my Coty Airspun using the JH30 brush, and just to set that primer. I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette for today. I love this palette, and I'm using the MFEO color and my JH30 brush. We're just gonna work this in our eye just to put a nice transition shade. Next shade is Butter, using the JH33 brush. We're just gonna put this on top of that transition shade and really start to build our, these two colors together. I like this brush so much. It's very soft and it really is precise. Moving on to the next shade, Mocha, and using JH33 brush, I'm just gonna focus this color in the outer corner of my eye, really building that smokiness and make it, deeper. You just need to do it like in a circular motion and just really blend those three colors together. And don't worry if there's any fallout, that's why we didn't start with the foundation. Moving on, using the JH40 brush, we're going to dip into the shade called Central Park and really intensify that dark. Again, focusing this in the outer corner of my eye and just in a circular motion, really building those deep two colors together. And make sure that everything is blended, removing any harsh line from all the shadows. I'm actually gonna pick up this shade Roxanne, just really focusing this and kind of like in the middle of those transition shade and the darker shade. I just love the auburn color touch to a smoky look. Using the JH41 brush, I'm gonna wet this with my MAC Prep and Prime setting spray, and I'm gonna pick up the shade Obsess. We're just gonna put this in the lid of our eye to really give that nice shimmer and pop. And make sure you blend those two colors together, again removing any harsh line from the shadows. And I want to intensify that shimmer, so I'm going to use the JH39 and the ColourPop Super Shock Pearlize in the shade Flexitarian. I'm just going to focus this in my inner corner eyes and kind of make it, make your way up. Okay, we're gonna go to foundation now. That's the Huda Beauty in the shade Cheesecake. I'm just gonna dab that all over my face, and using a brush that I got from Walmart, which is the Flower Beauty buffing brush. We're just gonna buff this all over my face. You can get this again in Walmart, and I really like this brush because it's very soft. It doesn't, feel rough in the face. And as you can tell, this foundation is full coverage. I love me some full coverage foundation. And I like to follow this up with a beauty sponge just to remove any brush streaks from the brush that we use. For concealer, I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 16. We're just going to put this underneath our eyes. And just to highlight our face. I just love this concealer so much because it blends perfectly. One thing that I kind of don't like about it is it does dry it up really fast. So you need to make sure that you work fast on this foundation or concealer. And of course, we're just gonna set this up with my Coty Airspun. Just as again, you know, since the product dries up really fast, make sure you set that quickly. I'm also gonna use the same powder, not really like, you know, just really buff this all over your face. I try not to go up and down, or that doesn't say about the motion. I just put, like, you know, buff it all over my face. It helps not to move the products. I'm also going to start tight lining my eye using the Stila All Day Eyeliner. It really helps your eyes to elongate and just make it bigger. And of course, we're just going to work on the lower eye using the same shade that we use in the upper eye. We're just going to do the same exact process and blend, blend, blend. Again, using that same eyeliner, the Stila Stay All Day liner, I'm just gonna line my waterline. I like this so much because it will not move. It will definitely stay in place. So it's definitely perfect and it's waterproof. I'm also gonna use that to just line my eyes. I find this technique so much easier than using the regular gel liner because this product will not smudge or, you know, go all over your eyes. And I'm just gonna use my Real Technique detail brush to just buff that eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I love this so much. I wish they have a waterproof, but this mascara is so good. And I'm also going to use the Ardell Fomix with the Kiss Lash Adhesive. I'm gonna just put that in my eyes. Starting to look good. And of course, don't forget to put mascara on your lower lash. Alright, contour. We're just gonna bronze our face using the Smashbox Holidaze Contour Collection and the Wet n Wild brush and Tarte brush to just bronze and contour my face. I love this contour palette so much. It works perfectly with my skin tone. And I'm going to just pick up that lighter powder and just really shape that contour to really give that effect of like a sharp contour. Same thing with my nose. Don't forget to contour your nose and make sure that you blend everything together. For blush, I'm going to use the ABH Blush Trio in the shade Cocktail Party and my Tarte brush. I'm just going to smile and really focusing this in the apple of my cheeks. And I'm using my sculpting brush. We have to blend all those products together so that our face will look blended and flawless. For highlight, I'm going to use my MAC Hyper Real Glow. I am obsessed with this so much, and you'll see it in just a minute. And that's why I'm obsessed with it. Do you see that glow? I do. I love this product so much. It makes me just giddy and just happy every time I put it. Just like the perfect highlight color. I'm also going to put that in my brow bone to highlight that. I just, we're going out to the theme of glowiness, so I just want to glow. Using the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Gone Burgundy, we're just going to start lining our lips. I like this also because it's very creamy, and it's reasonable, it's not expensive, and I think it's just perfect to just line your lips. And for lipstick, I am obsessed with this lipstick. It's the Maybelline Stay Matte Ink in the shade Dancer. It's the perfect red. I am a bold kind of gal. I like bold colors in my lips, so I would wear this color every day. That's how much I love it. And the formula on this lipstick is amazing because it does stay. Even if after you eat, it's the perfect red. And we're just gonna put some lip gloss from ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Here's to You. We're just gonna put that on top of our lipstick and just really making a very nice glossy statement. To set everything up, I'm gonna use my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This is the final touch. Your makeup will not smudge, move, and you just feel yourself. So that's my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, bye bye.